Hey guys, in this video I have a mystery box from That Daily Deal. I got a text message. They were cleaning out their warehouse again. They were offering mystery boxes. You were allowed to buy 2, so this is box 1 of 2. So the first thing I got in here were 3 of these collapsible hampers. Then I have this bedside felt caddy. I already have one of these. I mean, it's okay, whatever. And then I have these motion sensor lights. I love these. I put these throughout my house because my son's always scared at night. And then I have this cooler. This is I already got one of these in one of my other boxes, so I'll probably sell this on eBay or something, but it's a really nice cooler. Then I have this TYLT water bottle that you can also charge your phone. Then I have this LED strip of lights, and then I have these iron flask can cooler things. I think I got 3 of these in this box as well. The next thing I got were these auto trash bins. They gave me 3 of these. These are actually really nice, you guys. I've been putting them throughout my entire house, not just the car. Then I have this picnic blanket. It's nice, but I don't know if I'll actually use it. And the last thing in this box is this tabletop fire pit. This is really cool. You can cook s'mores and things like that, so I thought it was really fun. Guys, this was a mystery box from That Daily Deal. You can find these at thatdailydeal.com.